Hey there, teens. Are you looking to make some extra cash this summer? Well, you're in luck because I've got 5 awesome side hustles that are perfect for you. They're fun, easy, and will help you make some serious money. Let's get started. First up, how about starting your own baking business? If you love whipping up delicious treats like cookies, cupcakes, or even custom cakes, turn your passion into profit. Bake your goodies, create a menu, and promote your business on social media. Trust me, people love homemade treats. Next, let's talk about gardening. If you have a green thumb, why not offer your gardening services to neighbors or local businesses? You can help them plant flowers, maintain their lawns, or even start a small vegetable garden. Not only will you make money, but you'll also get to enjoy the outdoors. Are you artistic? Then listen up. Arts and crafts are always in demand. Consider creating handmade jewelry, painting custom artwork, or designing personalized greeting cards. You can sell your creations online or at local craft fairs. Let your creativity shine and watch your bank account grow. If you're tech-savvy, offering your services as a social media manager might be the perfect gig for you. Many small businesses struggle to maintain an online presence, so you can step in and help them manage their social media accounts. From posting content to engaging with followers, you'll get paid for doing what you already love, scrolling through social media. Last but not least, car washing. Grab your bucket, sponge, and some soap, and start offering car wash services in your neighborhood. People are always looking for a convenient way to get their cars cleaned, and you can be the solution. It's a simple job that can earn you some serious cash during those hot summer days. And there you have it, folks, 5 fantastic side hustles for teens to try this summer. Whether you have a passion for baking, gardening, arts and crafts, social media, or car washing, there's something for everyone. So go out there, have fun, and make some money while you're at it.